Peace and information, please. As always, my quality is crappy, but that won't take away from the fact that this is going to be a movie review about 999. So 999 is about a movie full of corrupted cops slash special ops who have to do this heist, and then that heist just isn't enough because one of the main characters' baby's mama sister was like, yeah, no, I need you to do more. So they have to do another heist, but this heist requires a lot more because it requires a distraction. Therefore, what is that distraction? Something called the 999, or cop terms, 999, which is when you kill a cop. Yep. So now they have to decide on how they're going to figure out this heist, how they're going to do this, and this leads to that movie. So this movie, I want to say, it was actually a pretty good movie. It wasn't, I want to say it's a little too much. I want to say it was a little too little. It was a decent movie. It had the qualities that you would want from a good, like, action heist film. But it wasn't something that would get you out your seat. Now, there were parts of the movie where you're just like, whoa, 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 whoa. And you kind of, like, scoot in your seat bit. And then slowly you scoot back in your seat because you're like, okay, nothing really special is happening here. I would say don't expect too much from this movie, like, whatsoever, because, I mean, the movie itself wasn't really, wow, like, there was no big scene that had you on the edge of your seat for too long. There was no big scene that had, like, twists and turns in it. There was really nothing different. If you've seen many action / heist movies, this is the same thing to kind of expect. Like, there was nothing really big, like, oh my gosh, what is happening here? There's nothing like that, really. I would say that the best thing the movie had in itself, the acting was great because the actors are just, they are great actors in it. And, I don't know, I feel like the storyline itself was kind of dry. Like, I really feel like there should have been this push. Something that I would expect, something I didn't expect to happen. I just really was hoping for, like, a mind-blowing twist that just did not come, which is really sad because when you have heist movies, you always expect that psychological part, like something psychological to mess up your brain, to screw you over, but that doesn't happen in this movie. Outside of that, it's a decent movie. Would I say go see it in theaters? That's a different story. I don't know if I would, me personally, would want to see it in theaters. I mean, I wouldn't really want to see it again. I mean, I could watch it again. This is a movie that I'd say I could watch it on TV and be like, this movie was pretty decent. But I have to sit in and watch it in theaters and be like, this movie was decent. You know, I wouldn't go hip-hop around crazy about it. I just think I was too disappointed with the fact that there just wasn't any big, like, turnaround or anything special that made me go on the edge of my seat. I was really hoping for that because I loved watching heist movies with a psychological thing. And the storyline itself is actually pretty good. The main character, he keeps saying countless times, I'm stuck on this thing that, you know, I'm stuck in this situation because of my baby mama, pretty much, and my kid. And so that is really the big factor of the whole thing. It's like this man's got to do this last heist just for his kid, so he can have his kid and he does not see these people ever again. So that's like the big thing. But like I said, there was really nothing else that was truly special about it that made you go like, oh my gosh. You would think, you know how like usually in movies like this where they'd always have like these scenes and something big happens and you look back on it and you're like, oh my gosh, I should have caught on to something that he said. None of that happened. I didn't really catch on to anything he said because, I mean, I want to say think too hard on this movie because there was no point in thinking too hard on the movie. Nothing special happened, but like I said, I wouldn't tell people to watch it. It's decent enough to see. Other than that, I wouldn't call 999 the best movie of the year or anything. But this is my review. This is my please. Peace out. Gotta watch my Walking Dead now. Bye.